Welcome everyone
Hi
to
everyone.
a Piece of Life podcast powered by Brain to Body Revolution. This is me, Soumya, saying hi. Supriya, say
Hey
hi.
Supriya.
How are you, Supriya? How are you doing?
Fantastico. All
Brilliant.
ears to you.
Oh wow. Okay. All right, guys.
I get
So
excited every day, and when it's your turn, what Soumya is bringing up.
yeah, I know why you're excited because you did not have to do the research. You just get to sit there, and I had to do the research. And I get excited when it's your turn because I don't have to do anything.
Yeah, maybe I'll get something. Spoon feeding करने में मजा आता है ना.
Exactly, right. So it's
Yeah.
so easy to be like a person who is getting it.
Getting, receiving.
Awesome.
Okay.
All right. We are going to be talking about something on these. What is this?
Oh, lovely. So cute.
What is this? What is this? What is the category of this?
This is what called doll. You have some Japanese doll. You have some name for them, no?
Don't worry about it. What did you say? The word? What did you say? Doll?
Doll, Japanese doll.
No, no, not Japanese. It's just a wooden doll. But yeah,
Okay.
we are
These
going to
features I
talking.
like that actually.
Whatever we are going to talk will revolve around this, not this
Ah,
particular doll, but the dolls. Okay.
okay. Mm-hmm.
How excited are you now?
Definitely a lot. A doll is talking about doll.
Yeah, exactly. Oh wow. Oh, I did not recognize that bit cheeky person over there. Okay. All right. So I was thinking, how do I start this? Okay. So you know how we all say that whatever you observe, you pick it up, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's not just randomly that people are saying that, okay? And it's not like because our ancestors said it, it has to be true. So a psychologist in 1961
Okay.
named Albert Bandura, I hope Bandura, some
Mm-hmm.
Bandura,
Mm-hmm.
um, he conducted a very strange experiment in Stanford. So it's a Stanford study, okay, guys?
Wow.
1961, okay? Just remember the timeline. So, you know what? In the there were two rooms, technically three rooms, okay? Three rooms हैं. Three rooms में एक doll है, ठीक है? Not this
Okay.
doll. You know those dolls
Any
that
random? Hmm?
the dolls that are filled with air, and when you hit them, they
Hit
bounce
me
back.
dolls. Ha. That air dolls. Okay.
Air
In the
dolls.
base there is sand. Hmm.
Yeah. So they're
Hmm.
standing, and if you push them, they go down and they come back up, right?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Those are called, Priya, those are called Bobo dolls.
Oh, Bobo dolls.
Okay.
Cute.
है ना?
Mm-hmm.
So it, and this experiment is called Bobo
Those big dolls are there, na?
Yes. And this experiment is called Bobo doll experiment. Okay.
Okay. Wow.
So in three rooms, what we have now? Bobo dolls. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Dolls means
No, no,
multiple
no.
are there.
Just one. Sorry.
Okay.
Just one. Just in two rooms, there are two dolls, and in one other room, there is nothing. Okay. And in two rooms, in one room, there are few kids, few children, and in another room, there are few children. And in the third room also, there are few children. Okay. They're sitting and they're seeing this doll. Everybody's sitting away and they're seeing this doll. One random guy enters the room.
Mm-hmm.
In the first room, the guy enters, and you know these are Bobo dolls. He starts punching the doll, like, because that
Mm-hmm.
is what we thought it is meant for. Like he starts punching, kicking, shouting, yelling, and all that on
It
that doll.
comes back. It comes
It
back.
comes back. It keeps coming back. In the other room, the other Bobo doll, that person is not hitting or anything. Is just maybe caressing or like pushing or playing with that doll. Okay, very
Mm-hmm.
happily saying nice words and everything.
Mm-hmm.
And in third room, nothing.
Nothing
Okay.
is there, huh?
Nothing is there. Their children's just sitting.
Mm.
So they make this happen for few minutes and all that.
Okay. Mm.
Then the guy goes out, the adult goes out, and they take all these kids from one and second room, and they and the third room, and they go into the fourth room. Okay.
Okay.
In fourth room, there are a lot of toys. Okay, there are a lot
Okay.
of toys.
Other than these Bobo dolls.
Other than these Bobo dolls, there are other toys as well. And now the scientists are all like Albert is watching. What does this kids do? Can you guess what are the kids doing? You should be able to. It's pretty easy, I think.
You consider it easy. Kids
Oh,
will definitely look at the familiar one, na, because they had just hit that particular doll, or they have played the doll in that particular in the other rooms, and maybe and some of them will be inquisitive to pick the new toy also. So pick kids are like it's not a very easy to understand kids' mind actually. So
okay.
what do you say?
Okay, okay. So you are being a mother right now. Okay, I'll take your answer. But so what he observed was the kids that saw a person being aggressive with the toys
Mm-hmm.
demonstrated same aggressive behavior on the toys.
Okay,
Somebody was
mimic them, mimic.
kicking,
Hmm.
yeah, somebody was kicking, somebody was yelling. Even they introduced new aggression actions.
Okay.
And the kids that saw, caressing and loving and all that, they were doing the same action. And the ones who were not, those are control just for the observation.
Hmm.
So now do you understand why people say what you observe, you become?
Yes, and just within this particular time, how much time did they stay there in that room?
10, 15, hardly few minutes, I feel.
If they're a todd, huh, definitely they would have picked up, na, the
Yeah,
kind of behavior that the adult has.
yeah.
That's how they pick. Yeah, I remember my my kids also.
You know what they used to say? Conditioning, don't do reward conditioning. Here there
Hmm.
was no reward. Supriya,
Only the
night,
action was there, huh?
only the kids observed someone do something and they picked it up.
Hmm.
This is the influence of one's actions on a mind.
Yeah,
So now do we understand why they say be careful with your actions? Your kids will pick it up.
absolutely. You are definitely going and talking about kids to leave Instagram, but you are doing that. Definitely, kids are picking that up from you only, right?
You don't have to keep a reward system. They are just going to
No.
observe you and they are going to mimic you. And back then, back then, it used to be a village, right?
Okay.
When our ancestors gave this coast, it used to be a village, right? And they used to say,
Cities were not there that time, so
ah,
maybe.
cities were not at that time, and they used to be say, hey, be mindful of the company you keep and all
Mm-hmm.
that. So it was that village back then. But you know what's the village now for us?
Mm-hmm.
Where our nervous system is picking up things. When we scroll each time and we consume, you know what is success looking like these days for us? That feeling that everyone is ahead of you when you're scrolling.
Yeah.
Relationship looks like hashtag power couples, hashtag this, hashtag that. You go to Instagram and you're looking, oh, if we are not like this, then we are not power couples.
Mm. Yeah, definitely.
If we are not touring, if we are not tripping, oh, we are not being couples, we are not being perfect couples. हमारे relation, like something is wrong with that.
हम्म वो तो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है ना कि आप what kind of conditions they are, but we just copy them, we just try to copy others. This is the
Exactly.
fake type of thing. Hmm.
Can you see? We are in a live Bobo doll experiment.
Yes, true. We are actually mimicking them people, putting
Exactly.
stories in the state. Actually, today it happened with us also. We did not celebrate Holi as such because we do not like, none of us like praying. But we actually smeared those colors in each other's, and just a family, three of us, so that we can click pictures
So,
and
exactly.
video. So just see how we are doing that, because my son was saying that he has to send the pictures to his friend. like chalo theek hai, let us just play thoda sa samay ke liye we did, but it was solely, and we clicked also na. अगर हमने किया होता और क्लिक नहीं किया होता तब उसका मतलब होता हम naturally खेल रहे हैं, but we clicked photo purposely, we actually clicked photos for that. So yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Bobo dolls.
We are all in the Bobo dolls. We are seeing the Bobo dolls and we are becoming Bobo dolls.
Yeah.
And that is where the problem is. It doesn't matter. Okay, it's okay. What you gave an example is your family members. Okay, it's okay to get influenced by your family because you're going to share your bread, butter, your life with them.
Hmm.
You know what we're getting influenced by these days?
Film
How
actors.
thousands of strangers whom we will never meet.
Right.
Do you think you have met anybody whom you have
And
scrolled
even now, those AI created images are also there, na? The
on?
perfect images,
Exactly. The cartoons, we're getting influenced by cartoons.
cartoons. Yeah.
So that is where your brain, we need to understand that brain does not differentiate between a live person and what is a digital feed.
Hmm.
Okay. So if that 15 minutes could make an impact on those kids, 15, 20 minutes, whatever minutes were there, could make an impact on the kids. What does your insistent scrolling or consuming of media or whatever that is, how is it shaping you? Are you stressed in your life? Look at what you're looking at. Are you
Watch.
worried about your money? Look at what you're looking, because you're looking at people spending the money. Are you looking at people saving, making most of it? That's where
Hmm.
your money stress will come into. Are you not happy in your relationship? Go and see what are you consuming. Are you seeing those social media stuff where they're they make these funny videos.
Funny reels, हाँ. एक
They
दूसरे का मजाक उड़ाना.
they have scripted it, guys. They have scripted it to become funny. They themselves are not behaving like that, okay, in their house, and we think, acha, oh, we can also do like that.
Yeah.
So what you are consuming is going to make up your brain.
Hmm. Definitely.
Repeated, whatever you are repeatedly exposing yourself to, your nervous system is going to equate it to truth.
Hmm. Absolutely.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is, we have talked about it. This is new mirror neurons. It is emotional infection that we talked about in previous. This is all. Can you guys see that this is all interlinked? Can you,
Hmm.
Supriya?
Yes, definitely. Everything is interlinked. Even the podcast that we do, like, are so interlinked. Everything is interlinked and everything is single. I think that
Mm.
all the things are originating from one thing, and actually we are considering our mind only, no? Our mind is the subject here. So definitely everything is interrelated, and we can see the connect.
So the childrens in those experiment in that lab, they saw violence that was not actual violence, it was a modeled violence, and they picked it up. So now we need to ask ourselves, what is being modeled to us on a daily basis? We are being modeled to compare ourselves, we are modeled to become outraged. All
Hmm.
these daily talk shows where they're berating on all the politic, like they're aggressively talking on those talk shows, in the news channel. Oh, उसने ऐसे कर, like, so aggression. And I've seen people reciprocating the same tone when they're talking about the same politics.
Ah, definitely we pick up.
Every second ad, wherever you go, is about beauty, consumerism. It's about
Consumerism.
cloth, it's about makeup, it's about bags, it's about accessories, materialism. Perfection. Oh, have you not done this? Then what are you doing? Perfection.
There's always a race, and
Huh?
you think that you should not stay behind.
Exactly. Oh, you're staying in this city and you have not yet discovered this, then what have you done in your life?
Yeah.
And you are like, oh my God, I've not gone to this
Yeah,
place.
it's always berating others, and so that other person feels very awkward about it. No, he feels out of the place.
Exactly. And that is used as a hook line in Instagram.
Mm.
We know that, right? We were also asked to use a hook line that will
Hook
hook the
line.
people.
Yes.
Creating,
As if they are trying to fish you.
they are fishing, Supriya. They are
Mm.
out there fishing for you. Your brain is your biggest asset now for them. If they can't capture your attention, they are losing you. They are losing a market. So
Yes.
something is valuable for you, that's your brain, that's your intelligence, because now everything is purchasable
Mm.
through social media. They are
Absolutely.
creating scarcity in your mind. Sale, 20% sale, 50% sale, do last 10 seats to go, last 2 seats to go, scarcity. And then the biggest of all, validation addiction, the likes, the shares, the
Yes.
engagement. कितना likes हो गए, कितने shares हो गए.
That gives you dopamine. Acha, ye like ho gaya. Let me see whether that friend is liked or not.
Hmm.
No? That
Yes.
way.
So
Really, really.
you are being they are sponge, they are the water, and you are soaking it all in and in and in, and now you are asking why my life is so stressful, why my money doesn't save get saved, why am I not happy in my life. You have your home, you have your kids, you have everything, and yet you are feeling like I'm not achieved enough in my life. Why? You have something to go to it. Before you
Hmm.
even think, your hand goes to your phone and you are scrolling. So your
Absolutely. And happening with everyone.
So your feed is not entertainment, it is training you. They are training you with each reel out there. And that's why we come out with our stuff, because we want to train you guys. We are not here to entertain you guys, we are here to train you guys. So you can now define what you're going to get trained at. And you go ahead and subscribe and follow those feeds only, which will give you success, real love, real focus, real determination in your life. You
So, who all are going to that, Samya?
Everybody, they should all do it, because right now, like we said before, your intelligence is on market. Your intelligence do not get purchased.
People are considering you as ghas, right? You are only subject for them. So
Yeah,
the AI and everything. So people are worried that AI will pick their job and everything, but you are getting picked every moment. It is not
exactly.
that AI is picking you. You are getting yourself. I don't want to use that word. So yes, you are spoiling your life.
We all are like this. Before I got to this, I was also looking at feed. Okay, something that, we had this discussion in the morning itself, the comparison discussion we had early in the morning today, and here we are uh, discussing about it. And for the very first time, Supriya, please join me
Mhm.
as we as a brain to body. Let us give this word to the people, to everybody, a Gen Z lingo for all that we are doing, the activity of getting influenced by feed. You ready?
Absolutely, all yours.
I've cross checked. Nobody is using this. It's not
Mhm.
invented. It is something like, all they came with the Dululu and that and this, they
Mhm.
made up these words recently.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
is something like that. And very proud to present our own word. Maybe one day somebody will talk about this. Drum roll.
Okay.
Brain influencing. Brain influencing.
Brain fluency. Okay.
You're
Great.
getting your brain influenced by, so you can now, so the brain influencing means you are going to take control of what you see and what you are going to train your brain with.
Hmm.
The
Wow, wonderful word.
So you are not just there doom scrolling. You are just not accepting everything to come and fall in your feed. You're going to go today. You're going to look at your feed. You're going to unfollow all those channels which are giving you things that you do not want to see in your life happen. And you're only going to subscribe or follow those things that you want to see in your life happening. Because whatever you see, whatever you observe, is what you're going to behave like.
Become and behave. Yes, definitely. So people who are actually branding for the company, just say tobacco companies or all like that, है ना? So one of them was he's a very good and very influenced actor actually. So he was asked that why are you also do you eat this? He said no, I do not. And why are you actually advertising for these things? He said I am getting paid for it. You don't want it. You don't watch me. I'm getting paid for it because you are watching me. That is why the companies are making this product and making me brand this product. I am getting paid. I am a salaried person. I am getting paid for this, so I'll do it. So you do your job. If we guys do not watch those advertisements and do not go for the those kind of feeds, then the companies will stop making those products only because there will be no consumer for that. So we have to take that step. We have to influence our brain to watch the things which are actually productive for us, right? And yeah, we can bring this revolution also, Soumya.
So the current example, I know we may get controversial because of saying this, but let's risk it because we are revolutionists. So the war is going on right now, right? Everybody wants to sell a piece of that war to you,
Mm.
but we don't know what's real. The only person who knows what's actually happening is the one who is actually there, who is going through that, or the soldier who is in that fighter plane. Okay, so unsubscribe for it.
Mm.
Unsubscribe for it. It's not called shutting out the world. It's called allowing, because these days news is just not news. It's manipulative. And we have seen this, guys. We have seen this past few months how much manipulation is happening out there.
Yeah.
You're getting your brain influenced. So stop, be in control of what influences your brain. So there you go, Bobodol.
So
What?
make the choices which are actually good for you, for your mind, for your life, and do not compare yourself. Do not mimic others by just going through those feeds. So
Yes.
unsubscribe those feeds which are actually not contributing to your growth, balki they are demeaning you in certain way.
And we told you why, how it affects. Just few minutes of watching aggression, the kids became aggression. Be constantly watching something repeatedly, we are ultimately going to become like that. So
Definitely. So, Soumya, when a advertisement comes, just say that are all that advertisement is also given to influence you, right?
yeah,
And then even if you're full, you'll still order some desserts that nahi mujhe khana because you just saw that. So vision matters a lot,
yeah,
right?
absolutely. So Supriya, how excited are you for spreading this word? One day we will be known for it.
Definitely.
Brain fluencing,
Brain influencing, just
yes,
like financial influencers of influencers,
we
right?
are brain influencers.
Yes, we are brain influencers.
So everything you consume is brain influencing you. Everything you consume through your eyes, to your smell, through your touch, to everything is brain influence. It means it's influencing your brain. I hope it's not tongue twisters to many, but
Influencing, brain influencing.
brain influencing. So the spelling is BRAIN, fluencing, FLUENCING, brain influencing. Say, say, Supriya,
Brain influencing.
brain influencing.
Okay, fluencing. इनको हटा दिया तो we have
Brain
connected
is
with.
part of brain, no?
Okay,
BRAIN.
brain fluencing.
Brain
Great.
fluencing.
Yeah.
Brain fluencing.
So guys, remember this beautiful word that you got today, brain fluencing.
What does that mean, Supriya?
It means that you do not let your brain get influenced by the things that are not working for you, that are actually destroying you or, making you empty from within. You know?
And you choose what influences your brain.
Yeah, you choose that. You pick and choose that. The entire palette is for you.
So if you suppose today you're going to scroll, Supriya,
Mm-hmm.
and you see a feed of one ad that you don't
Mm.
want to see, and then there is a motivational speaker and that
Mm.
person is speaking something, and when you unfollow the up one and you keep the below one, you are doing brain influencing. You are
Yes.
allowing what impacts your brain. So when you tell to your friend, I just brain influenced.
I'm gonna use this term a lot, and you too. I know that we guys are we geeks.
Geeks. Yeah,
Lovely, lovely. Yeah. Brain fluencing.
brain influencing. And thank you to Albert Bandura for experimenting and showing it to us
The Bobo dolls.
how influential we are, like giving it a structure. We know we get influenced, but that experiment means a lot to us. Thank you wherever you are, and thank you, Supriya, for listening me blabber on. And thank you to all those people who will listen to this and leave beautiful comments for us and use the word brain influencing in their life and make their brain a valuable asset for them that is working for them and not against them.
Your brain is the most important asset that you have actually. It is so complex that until now, brain transplant is not possible. Till now, there is no case of getting the brain transplanted in humans. So, guys, so this is a very beautiful and a very most important asset for you. So, do not let it get erode by the facts, by the things that are not useful for you, and those things are actually kind of destroying single cells of those. So, no, do not do that. Do not get yourself influenced by all those things which are not valuable for you. So, instead of that, you subscribe to the channel of Brain to Body Revolution. You will be getting beautiful feeds and you will be getting beautiful information that will actually help you to rewire your brain.
Yeah,
Right, Samya?
a piece of life guaranteed.
Yeah.
All right, guys,
All
thank
right,
you
guys.
so much. See you tomorrow with another new context, new phenomenon, or a new effect that you might have seen, might have heard, might have felt, but really never understood it. And we will tell you everything about it. Isn't it, Supriya?
Yes. And just brainstorm on what you are getting tomorrow and be a brain influencer.
Yes, be a brain influencer. See you tomorrow. Bye bye,
Bye
guys.
bye, guys. Subscribe to our channel in the YouTube and in the Instagram, and do follow us. And definitely go and see our website, which is www.braintobodyrevolution.com. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye.